about to go in the gym, and I'm about to mention Craig Titus, who killed his nanny because he got road rage. So did his wife. I read that about 5-6 years ago. They killed him because they got road rage. And then John Defendus, the Mr. America winner. And I'm about to go in the gym and train shoulders and traps. Bye. I'm about to do shoulders and traps today. Shoulders and traps. And I'm about to give a shout out to AJ Sims, Anthony Vegas, Cam, Houston, Pat, the military guy, and Peter. And today I'm doing shoulders and traps. I'm building my weaknesses. I'm trying to show you people that I'm building my shoulders. Everybody questions my shoulder development, but I'm building my shoulders and my traps. We call traps or trapezoids, and I'm building those. And I'm getting fucking jacked out of my marbles. Look at this. Look at that, baby. Sickening. Absolutely sickening. Insanity. Sick. And I'm about to let you know, all you people, that I'm doing a show in November. I'm doing the Hialeah show down in close to Miami, November 27th or 8th. I'm dieting down for it, so peace out. Tutorial majors, and look at those shoulders and trapezoids. Look at those fucking things popping out. Boom. Traps and shoulders right now. Shoulders, traps and shoulders. Shoulder press. Build my shoulders and my traps and trapezes and traps. I'm about to do that, and there's only one Jason, the Highlander, one. I'm gonna go up in weight right now. Pro cords on. Pump some iron right now. 6 a.m. in the morning. Listen to fucking Rod Zombie right now. Rod Zombie, sick. I guarantee you want to talk shit to me, you haters, and you want to talk shit to me because you know what? If you said it in my fucking face, I'd bust your fucking jaw. I'm about to do shoulder and traps right here. For all you fans, I'm building my shoulders and my traps, my weakness, and I'm about to show you right now with perfect form, over the head, military presses with shoulders. Dumbbell press for my shoulders. This is what Skip taught me.
I think you mean side lateral raises.
Side lateral raises. Yep. I got the dark side. I'm very angry, like Anakin Skywalker. I'm pissed off. I'm full of rage, anger, hate, and I'm fucking mad. You are pissing me off, all you haters, and you're talking shit on the internet. I guarantee you want to say it in my face. In real life, in person, face to face, because you're too fucking scared. You can talk shit on the internet because you're on your little keyboards typing and you're talking shit, because if you said that in my face, I'd fucking stab you with a lightsaber and fucking gouge your eyes out, you motherfuckers. I don't care how big and strong you are, you're going down, baby. Let's do upright rows. my shoulders and my traps. Doing upright rows. The animal wants to come out, baby. The animal, the beast. Untame the beast. Bring the fuck out. Drop sets. He said front raise is my last set. This is actually upright rows right now for shoulders. Burn the fuck out and shoulder back. Right already. Throw my shoulders and reach out. Go up. Drop it. Drop sets. Up and down.
One more.
I'd like to give a shout out to Tim, Tom, Mo, and all the homeboys from Connecticut and New York and New Jersey. Peace out, bye.